Did your phone break? Gamers Warehouse can fix it. The best cell phone repair shop in town. Tucson Mall upper level next to Sears.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone 6s Plus, 6 or 7, any other version. If you have this problem, if you see your skin as this, you can see vertical lines and you can't touch, you can't do nothing in your skin. Okay, let's start to do it. We need a set of screwdriver, especially Apple. Okay, because in this we have different type of screw. As you can see, these are star screws. We need a good screwdriver. Can't be any, should be exact, or you will destroy the screws. They're so much small in size. Okay, I'm losing one. Take these out. They are very small than previous versions. As you can see, these two put one side. Okay, with the help of this type of tool, I will try to take this skin out. This will hold your skin properly at the middle. I lock it down. Okay, and you can use a pick from guitar or any tool. Okay, but better plastic tool. As you can see, I make space. Now try to lose it up. It must be so much tight because they put some sort of glue in this, because I feel some glue. Okay, here we go. We have some glue sort of thing. Okay, I take this out almost, I think. Here you have so many connectors. Okay, now, and here I have Phillips screws, so I have to take this part out for take out the display. Taking out all the screws. Okay, one screw is taller than other. Put in good order, because later you can confuse with this one. 3 is the same, one is another type of screw. At the middle I have one more. Okay, and I think at the corner I have something else too. One more. I will take this out. Totally 6 in a row. After taking this, you can take your display off. After disconnecting all, you have to disconnect the battery, and here you have 3 connectors. You have to disconnect all of them. Okay, here we go. You can take a brush and also alcohol you can use. Try to clean these 3 ports. Let me show you here. 1, 2, 3 ports. You have tried to clean them properly with some brush. Perhaps sometime happen you have some dust stuck in these, and that cause some problem. The brush should be clean. Okay. You can use sometimes some alcohol, but be careful, don't make wet totally. Okay, because it's dried up fast and clean good, as you can see. And also you can do, here you have 3 connectors, you can clean them up. Okay, let them dry for a few minutes. Okay, after a few minutes, you try to connect all the connectors one by one. The first one is at the bottom one. As you can see, here we go. You will feel when it's connected properly, you will feel some sort of makes noise. Okay, one is gone. Second one is here. Okay, it's fine. I think I connect properly. One more. I think I'm good. Okay, one more connector here. Don't forget the battery connector. Okay, all of them are fine. Now I can do as this. I don't need to close totally the phone. I can check as this. I hit the power button, but the problem is still there. So I think I have some serious problem. In this case, might you need a new display or some other thing. Let me see where is the problem actually. Try to take the battery connector off. Okay, I'm trying my nails. Can use some tool. Okay, I'm trying to take out all of the connector. Okay, let me see if all of them are good or not. This one is look quite good. Second one is okay. Oh, here we go. Here this ribbon or this connector is broken at the middle. Perhaps this is causing the problem. So in this case you are not lucky, so you have to buy a new display or change this connector, or you can take to the Apple service. If you are lucky enough and you don't have this problem, after cleaning your phone most of the time gonna work. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible.